Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can make a factory data reset with the Redmi Note 15. First of all, I recommend to you, if you want to resell your phone, to delete your Google account here from that phone. If you need some help, I have linked it in the description. First of all, if you want to make a hard reset, you need to power off your phone. And if it's completely off, then we will need the buttons. So the power button and the volume up button. So long press these both buttons together and hold them until you see the Mi logo. Then you will leave your fingers and you need to wait a couple of seconds, and then you will come directly to the recovery menu. So, and here we can't steer the phone now here with fingerprints, so the touch screen doesn't work, but we can use the buttons. So with the volume down key we go down, with the volume up key we go up, and with the power button we can later confirm. So we need to make a factory data reset, and for that we need to wipe data. So go down to with the volume down key to wipe data and confirm now with the power button. So the phone is asking then if you're pretty sure. Yeah, we want to wipe all data. Go down with the volume down button, confirm with the power button. Now he's asking again if you're really sure what we are doing. Yes, we are. So go down now with the volume down key and press the power button to confirm it. And the phone is making now the factory data reset. This takes a few seconds, and yeah, then your phone is brand new, like as you have bought it brand new. And then if it's done, you go just back to main menu. So confirm it now with the power button. And now we need to reboot the phone. So just tap here the power button. Go on reboot to system. So confirm with the power button again. And now it takes maybe 1 or at maximum 2 minutes. And the phone is starting from the start where you have choose the language and so on. So as you have bought it brand new, as I have said. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. Yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in with some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.